Dear students, today I'll discuss with you some important MCQ from the chapter Chemical Kinetics. This is the first question. If volume of closed vessel in which the following simple reaction is carried out is reduced to 1/3 of original volume, the rate of reaction becomes what? So this is your reaction 2NO, question number 1. Okay. The volume V2 is equal reduced to 1/3. So concentration what will change? It is 3C1 because concentration volume vice versa. Okay. So rate of reaction R1 is equal to K NO and O2. Rate 2 is equal to, when it is doubled, K 3 NO 2 and it is 3O2. Okay, so you will get K 27 NO and O2. So this is R1. So 27 R1. R2 is equal to 27 R1. So rate is what? You will get that is 27 times increasing. So choice D is the answer. Next, for the reaction A plus B products, it is found that order A is 2 and second order and order B is 3 in the rate expression. When the concentration of both A and B are doubled, the rate will be increased by a what factor? Okay, you see A plus B, question number 2. A plus B giving the product. So what is told? A is second order. A is your second order. B is your what? B is third order. Okay. So what is told? When the concentration of both A and B are doubled. So it is doubled. Second order doubled. 2A square B 2B Q. So 2 the power 2, 4. 2 the power Q, 8. That is 32 times. So choice C is the correct answer. Okay. Next, nitric oxide reacts with oxygen to produce nitrogen dioxide. If the mechanism of the reaction is this, NO plus O2 K NO3, first NO3 plus NO K, this is NO2 plus NO2. Okay, this is slow. Okay, so then the rate law is what? Then the rate law is what? You simply see, when you are taking, simply the rate depends on. So what happens? Question number 3. You see, you find the rate of the reaction. Question number 3, you find the rate of reaction. The main reaction is 2NO plus O2 giving 2NO, NO2. So you should not confuse. Rate is equal to K NO, okay, to O2. So choice C is the correct answer. Okay. Next, for a first order reaction, question number 4. For a first order reaction, the time taken to reduce the initial concentration to a factor 1/4 is 10 minutes. If the reduction in concentration is carried out to a factor of 1/16, then time required will be what? Okay. You see, K is equal to, fourth question. K is given 2.303 by 10. Okay, log A by 4th. Okay, then K is equal to 2.303. Its time is requiring log A by 16. So this is the case. So when you divide both, then you will get what? So this is 4, a by 4th means what? A by, you will get here what? 16. Here you will get 4. Okay, a cancel, you will get 4. So 4 the power square is 16. So the time will be, simply the time is 2. Okay, the time you will get, that is what? You will get 20 minutes. Okay, when you divide this one, this is a k2, this was k1. So divide k2 by k1, you will get the answer, the reduction time. What is asked? If the reduction in concentration carried out to factories, then the time required will be what? So you will get 20 minutes. You simply divide this, you will get 20 minutes. Okay, so choice B is the correct answer. Next, question number 5. You see, for the reaction N2O5 nitrogen pentoxide, you will get 2NO2 plus half O2. So given minus d N2O5 by dt, d is equal to K1 N2O5, d NO2 by dt is equal to K2 N2O5. So dO2 by dt is equal to K3 N2O5. Okay, so this is the what? Disintegration. This is the production plus, and this is also plus. Okay, so the reaction between the relation between K1, K2, K3 is what? Okay, you see, question number 5. So simply K1 N2O5 that is minus d N2O5 by dt is equal to plus half, this is plus half, okay, d N2 NO2, d NO2, okay, and this is your oxygen 2 d O2 by dt. Okay, this is dO2 by dt. So what you will get? You simply take 2K1, this is, okay, this is 2, this is half, this is 2, and this is 1. So you take the LCM, you will get 2K1 is K2, this is K2, and you will get here 4K3. Okay, so the relation is 2K1, K2, 4K3. Okay, next, for the reaction N25, N2O4 giving you 2NO2, this is forward reaction, this is backward reaction. The rate of disappearance of NO2 will be what? The rate of disappearance means what? This is disappearance. So means you take this is as a forward reaction. So you will get what? You will get this one 2K2. When you elaborate, you will get 2K2 NO2 second order, okay, minus 2K1 N2O4. Okay, you will get this same disappearance. You will take this, you will solve this one, you will get. Okay, next, question number 7. For a homogeneous gaseous reaction, A giving B plus C plus D, the initial pressure was P0 while after time t was P. If P is greater than P0, the expression for the rate constant K is what? You see, question number 7. Okay, so initially A to B plus C plus D. Okay, at t is equal to 0, this is P0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. When t is equal to t, after some time, P0 minus x, this is x, this is x, and this is x. So total pressure P0 minus X, P0 minus X, okay, is equal to P0 minus X is equal to X, P0 minus X plus X plus X plus X is equal, this is total pressure, okay. So you will get what? P0 XX cancel, P0 minus 2X is equal to P, total pressure, okay. Therefore 2x is equal to what? P0 minus P, X is equal to P0 minus P by 2 you will get. So K is equal to 2.303 by T log P0 by P0 minus X, you will get 2.303 by T log P0 by P0 minus X value put here, P0 minus P by 2, okay. So then K is equal to 2.303 by T log 2P0 and 2P0 minus P plus P0, okay. So K is equal to 2.303 by T log 2P0 3P0 minus P. So your choice A is the correct answer. Choice A is the correct answer. Okay students, have a good day.